Do you smell that?
Chocolate.
Do you want to be a snowman?
Sure.
We're
sisters.
I'm Anna.
I'm Elsa. We're in our coronation dresses.
Who's my cake? This is my pretty necklace.
If you want to see how to get these looks, just keep on watching. Let's get started. Woo, woo, woo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my cousin Kinley here again.
Hi.
Today we're doing Coronation Elsa
And Anna. We already did our foundation, so now we're just gonna go on and start on our eyeshadow.
You don't have to do foundation and stuff, it's just...
We just do it for fun.
So I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using Kind, Optimistic, Hopeful, and I'm using Confident.
I am gonna be using this gold color. I'm using the Gold Rock palette.
Low Rock.
Low Rock palette, and I'm just gonna keep this on the center right there.
We're spraying this with Max Fix Plus. That'll make the colors pop.
Ooh, dude, you're spraying me. Use a light brown shade, and that's the one
And I'm using Optimistic.
I'm gonna be using this poofy brush.
This poofy brush. Now I'm gonna use this one, Hopeful, in my inner corner.
I'm gonna add a little glitter on my eyelids.
Now I'm gonna take the darker purple on the outer crease. My mom's helping me.
I'm gonna do a little bit of green on the outer corner.
And then we're gonna do our eyeliner. Now we're doing brows. I'm using a blonde color.
I'm using kind of a red color.
Now we're gonna do some mascara.
I'm gonna start on my blush. This is Dulce Pink. So you wanna keep on your, you see that big circle right there? You just wanna go up and blend it in.
Now I'm gonna start on my Hoola bronzer. You don't wanna look too tan, so we're just gonna do a little bit. Just to give our face some structure.
Okay, I am done with my blush. Now I'm gonna start on my mascara.
I'm gonna do it right here. This is from L'Oreal. I'm using a mixture of this one and this one.
I am gonna use this pink and top it off with some gloss.
Now
Now
we're
we're switching, and I'm gonna use this dark purple. If you can't see it, there. Now we're gonna add the gloss.
Now for the wigs. Here's the final look, guys.
Do we
really look like them?
I think I do.
You do too, Kinley. We had so much fun doing this look for you guys.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked it.
And subscribe. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. There might be a giveaway.
It might be an iPad.
I want it. Who's your favorite character in the movie? Mine's Olaf and Sven.
Mine's Olaf and Sven.
Comment down below who your favorite character is from Frozen. Thanks for
watching.
We love you guys.
Bye. Bye. Bye.